Okay, now let me explain again. Sensor, 4 leg. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 legs are same. You can put any leg anywhere. Just one special thing, the leg. You see, this side and this side is different. The wide side is inside. Here leg, you see, the wide is inside. The 4 leg finish. Okay, the side beam. This is side beam. Okay, side beam, it has 3 holes. 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. The 3 holes near to the exit. This is left side. The right side also has 3 holes. 1, 2, and 3. Also the 3 holes near to the exit. This beam, nothing special. This beam, a little special. It has a welded small pipe. You see, this small pipe welded. This thing is near to the entrance. This thing is near to the entrance. You can see that thing is near to the entrance. Now I explain the sensor. This sensor, X5. Black X5, brown, blue. This is sensor X14. This sensor X14. This sensor X6. This sensor X7. This side, all the sensor only 2 wire. Brown wire to 24 plus, blue wire to 24 minus. Okay, 4 sensor, 1, 2, 3. And 4, this sensor. Okay. On the machine, connect to here, connect to the pipe, you see. Okay, connect to the pipe, go to the pump. Let me show you. This is the pump. Pump 2. 1. Go up to the machine. The other one go to the under wash. You see, connect to under wash. This is the entrance. This is the machine top. The chain connect. It's this iron. It's fixed on these 2 screws. Okay, these 2 screws fix this iron. And this high pressure pipe fix come to here. This one is a low pressure water pipe. Come to here. Keyboard. come to here. Okay, the inside of this one, yeah, there are three chemical pipe. Okay, it's different of color: yellow, blue, green. This one is no wipe chemical, no touch chemical. This one is wax. This one is shampoo, wax. No touch chemical, no wipe chemical. Also, inside here, three gray color cable. Come to here. You just connect according to the different number. Here, sonic sensor also come inside. The sonic sensor has 3 wire. Brown wire connect to 24 plus, blue wire connect to 24 minus. The white wire connect to this one. The white wire. Also fix this thing. The other side is this type. This thing is for fix this cover. Okay. Also, this is rear. This is the right side rear. This is the left side rear. Left side rear and the right side rear are same. You can put any side. It doesn't matter. But most important, you should put this board on top, on the right side rear. Right side rear here, one at here, and one more at there. You see that one? Yes. Its function is for the sensor. So when the sensor move to this iron board, the machine stop automatically. So you should adjust the sensor. The sensor is very near to the iron board. For example, the iron board is here. The sensor should be very close to the iron sensor, around 2 mm distance. On the other side, also sensor. One important thing, this is also sensor. This is sensor and the iron on the bottom. You see, this iron can rotate. This thing, you see, this thing is the same direction as the arm. Same direction. Because the sensor and the iron at the bottom is very close distance, around 2 mm. Same as this one. Distance to the iron board, 2 mm. Also the sensor, here you see 2 sensor. The distance to the iron board at the front is also 2 mm. This one. Okay, the machine top body. I say this is the left side rear. That's right side rear. Left side rear and the right side rear is the same. You can put it doesn't matter. You fix the screw. The screw is a little different. Let me show you. This is the left side rear. Screw is this type. This and over there is the same. The right side rear is a little different. Is this type. This one and that one over there is the same. Then you fix this keyboard, this belt. The belt, you see this type, upward. Operation box. Operation box. It has a red, green, yellow, white. Red X1, green 24 minus, white L, yellow R. Let me see here the electric box. X1 24 minus, L and R. Okay. And the electric box, this one, brown 24 plus. This one 24 plus, this one 24 minus. Okay, here. And this one, this is 3 wire, is plug in. Here, plug in the PLC. The orange color cable, this orange color cable, connect to the electric box. Electric box here. Connect here. Orange color cable. This 6 wire connect to the high pressure pump. High pressure pump. Connect to this 6. Okay. This is chemical pump. This is water pumps. Water go in, go out. Go in from a water tank. Okay. Water tank. Go in and go out to the low pressure water pipe in the machine. Chemical. Shampoo, wax, no touch, touch-free chemical. The pump. Here 2 wire, KA15 and 24 minus. This is there are wires, all the wires are labeled, so you just connect on the electric box according to the number. Okay, so sensor X7, X6. This just only 2 wire, 24 minus, 24 plus, 24 minus, 24 plus. This X14. This just 2 wire, 24 plus, 24 minus. This one sensor, and that one X5. This one just 2 wire, 24 plus, 24 minus. The high pressure pump. Okay, water tank pipe go here. Okay, then this one go to machine, one go to the machine top, the other one go to the underwash, this one go back to the water tank. Yeah, electric box, water pump, everything. Our standard type is usually be on the left side. If you put the right side, it's okay, but just all the wires should come here, all the pipes or come here. It need a longer cable and a pipe. Shampoo, this wax, this pipe spray the touch-free chemical.